presents their original production, The Motown Sound of Christmas. From rocking in your seat to dancing on your feet, this show is guaranteed to make your holiday sweet. Come out to this fun, family-friendly show and enjoy your favorite Motown hits and Christmas classics, pure lifestyle. With all the hand clapping and toe tapping, it definitely will not be a silent night. Now, Mama said you can't hurry love, but you should absolutely hurry and buy your tickets today at purelifetheater.com. This is a show you do not want to miss. See you there.